Nice and lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again. You know, every Sunday we normally do our roast dinner or our Sunday dinner, but today we do a roast Sunday dinner. It's with chicken and roasted potato, serve with veg and gravy at the side. So guys, you can go to any local shop, buy some gravy or gravy mix and just mix up some gravy. Bake off the chicken, roast off some potato in the oven. But I didn't do the video on the potato, I did the video on the chicken. But anyway, next time I will do the video on the potato. So guys, thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more tips, ideas, and recipe coming your way. Remember, Sunday dinner roast from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching the show. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget guys, don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And also Google Plus page. Amazon, 50% with my cookbook. Thank you. Nice and lovely, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, you know what happened? I went to my butcher yesterday and he gave me some nice, lovely, fresh, clean chicken breast with the wing on it. You know that chicken breast with a wing, beautiful. As I said before, remember I told you about peas at the butcher, Ozzy. And this is his business card right here, guys. It is amazing, as you can see all the number and the details on it. And he based in Fountain Heath, London Road, CR7 6JB. Telephone number is 0208 684 1075. You need fresh meat, you need fresh, nice, clean 5-star chicken, lamb, beef, you name it. That's where you can get it, guys. And I'm just showing you this number. You can get in touch with him, very easy and simple. Get yourself some lovely meat. Anyway, today we want to make a nice, lovely Sunday roast chicken. Today's gonna be Sunday roast. You know what I mean? A lot of people in England, they do a lot of roast on a Sunday, and today we're gonna do Sunday roast. So basically, I have some chicken breast right here. I have 4 pieces. I'm going to tell you what I have right here. I have some white onion, garlic, spring onion, and some fresh thyme. Fresh thyme, spring onion, white onion, and garlic. And we're going to put all of these ingredients right on my chicken right here. And we're going to get the chicken marinate. Sunday roast chicken breast with roast potato and veg. You guys going to love this amazing one. First of all, what you need to do is to get the thyme and the simple break off the bits of the thyme like this. Like this. So these pieces of the thyme, I'm not going to be using these pieces. Then we're going to put our spring onion and our white onion and the garlic inside of it like that. So basically, what you can also do, you can marinate this from the day before. It's like, you know, every Chef Ricardo always do a Sunday roast or a Sunday dinner. You can marinate this from the Saturday and get it soaked in your fridge. Alright, so next week if you want to feel like to do a Sunday roast, that's what you can also do. Basically I want to say my chicken, and I'm going to wash it off with some white vinegar or lemon juice. It's up to you what you want to use to wash your chicken, but that's what I'm going to use. Let's put a little bit of pepper. And also we're going to put some season on it. As I said, that's a natural season. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of chicken season on it, just like this. That's the chicken season. And we're going to put some smoked paprika on it, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, just to bring in a little flavor to the chicken. As you can see, that's what we are doing at the moment. Then teaspoon of all-purpose season, and that's good to go for the time being. We're not going to be using any more else of the season on it because we already have the natural season and that. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to pop some olive oil on the chicken, roughly about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going to marinate the chicken just like this. And that's the way all my chicken breasts they look, and lovely and nice. And as I said before, I wash my chicken with lemon juice or white vinegar. As you can see, that started looking different already, and looking so nice. So as I said before, guys, you can also do this from Saturday. You don't need to do it on the same day like what I'm doing at the moment, but as you can see, the chicken looking lovely already. Anyway, that's it so far. What I'm going to do is to lay my tray right here, make you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna simply finish it off, but I want you guys to see exactly how I'm going to finish off the chicken on the tray. So this is another way how you can do your chicken. All right, so this is a chicken breast right here, and as you can see, I stuffed inside of it with some seasoning. So you put it straight like this and put some thyme on it on top of the chicken breast like this. So when it's going to be roasting in the oven, you will see exactly. So you know, in the side of the chicken breast always have a split. I don't know why, but I just stuff some seasoning in the inside of it. This one is a little bit chunky, but that's fine. We will put this one right here. Then we have another two which we're going to also put right here and right here. So nice one. And what we're going to do is simply put some seasoning on top of it like this, and top of it and top of it like that. Yeah, just to make the season give it a lovely flavor when you're going to be roasting it inside of the oven. And just like this. Nice one. Then if you notice, I didn't put my mixed herb, so what we're going to do now is simple. Sprinkle some mixed herb on top of the chicken like this. Nice and lovely. And the beauty is you can put some honey if you like to, and make it roast with some honey and that's like this, and give it a lovely flavor also. So the honey gonna be roasting off with the chicken and give it a lovely flavor. Nice one. So as you can see, then now what we're going to do is to bake this in the oven for roughly 35 minutes in the oven, and gas mark 9 or 8 if you're using gas mark. If you're using like electric stove, you know, electric stove is a little bit different. They use like numbers. 165 is good for it on your temperature gauge, or 175 for 30 to 35 minutes inside of the oven. So guys, as I said, Sunday roast we are doing today. We're gonna serve this with some newly potato and also some vegetable and gravy. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe the channel with the Sunday dinner roast from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, this is the Sunday roast chicken dinner, and that's the way it looking so lovely and nice and fantastic, guys. So hopefully you guys like the recipe, and I'm gonna share it out and just take it from the oven. And as I said before, all you need to do is to bake them in the oven for 35 minutes. Is good for it. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna finish it up with some vegetable and roast potato, and that's the roast chicken. You can serve it with gravy or whatever you like to serve it with, is your option. So enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. As you can see, chicken look good, yes, look nice. Enjoy it. Oh, lovely and nice. I just shared it out, guys, and look at that amazing recipe. As I can see right here, got the vegetable and the roast potato and the chicken. The amazing Sunday dinner roast. So hopefully guys like the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more dinner coming out. Every Sunday we do our Sunday special dinner, and stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more tips and ideas coming your way, guys. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much for watching my show, and see you next time. Bye bye.